Good evening, everyone. It is December 30th, 2016. We are doing a one-box break of 16-17 Upper Deck Black Diamond Hockey number 49. So, let's go to random.org to see how many times we randomize the names and teams. There we are. So, let's roll the dice. 4 and a 5 is 9 times. 9 times. So here are the names. Jeff C did get a last spot mojo, so he does have a star on the side of his name. So 9 times. Yes, 9 times. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9th and final time. Good luck. There it is. Steven at the top. Let's get a new sheet really quick. All right, nice. So 9 times on the teams. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th and final time. Good luck. There it is, 9 times. Minnesota Wild on top, Philadelphia Flyers at the bottom. All right. Stephen T with the Wild, as well as the Colorado Avalanche. Jeff C with last spot mojo against the Canadiens. Steven with the Senators. Stephen Arthur with the Senators. Sorry. Stephen T with the New Jersey Devils. Brian Matoy. There you go, Brian. Toronto Maple Leafs. Congrats. Trev, you have the Lightning. Stephen T with the Panthers. Jeff C with last spot mojo against the Buffalo Sabres. Jeff C with last spot mojo against Buffalo Sabres. Stephen T with the Dallas Stars. Stephen Arthur with the Winnipeg Jets. Trev with my Los Angeles Kings and the Carolina Hurricanes. Shane with the Vancouver Canucks. Trev with the Predators. Stephen T with the Blue Jackets. Brian Matoy. Wow, look at that. 2 teams. 1 spot gets the Oilers as well. Shane with the Coyotes. Stephen T with the Ducks and the Rangers. Trev with the Blues and Islanders. Stephen T with the Blackhawks. Colin with the Detroit Red Wings. Trev with the Sharks and Penguins. Stephen T with the Flames, and Colin Matoy with the Boston Bruins, and Trev ends up with the Capitals and Flyers. So I'm going to pause the video, see if there's any trades, and when I get back, I'm going to do a one-box break of Black Diamond Hockey, so stick around. Welcome back, everyone. There were no trades, so names and teams remain the same. All right, so there's 2 boxes left. One in box 1 and box 4. So let's switch screens. Random generator. So there's only box 1 and 4 left. So we roll if random.org generates 2, 3, and 5, we're just gonna regenerate it again. So good luck. Box 1, there it is. 1 is the first one. There it is. Box 4 is for number 50. All right. So here we go, box 1. No, Shane, I got an alert right on my phone too. And I was just like shocked because I thought they were fighting Saturday. But then again, I guess the weigh-ins were yesterday. No way. Oh yeah, somebody was talking about that 101 diamond relic, Colin, of Matthews. Somebody did that? Jeez. I don't know where it's from, but congratulations to that guy. All right. So good luck, everyone. Oh. Gotcha. The other girl's pretty much a dude. All right, first card. Rousey's a good fighter too. John Gibson for the Ducks. Boo. 15 of 249. I'm just kidding. Ducks. Stephen T. There you go. I only say boo when Ducks come out because I'm a big Kings fan. So, there you go, Steven. Next card. Nice. For the Minnesota Wild. Signature play cards, Michael Granlund. For the Minnesota Wild. Minnesota Wild. Steven T, there you go. You were trying to trade this card. You were trying to trade this team, I mean. There you go. Next one. Nice. Corey Schneider, 84 of 149. Well, you know what? Rousey was like crazy. Was so crazy good. Let's see. Corey Schneider was that New Jersey Devils. Steven T again. Wow, Steven, look at that. Steven T, you've gotten like all the hits so far. Rousey's a good fighter, but I don't know if it's mentally she's not there anymore or people just that much better than her. Because before the other fight that she lost to, she was just rocking people. Nice. Oh, man. For the Winnipeg Jets with one spot mojo, Stephen Arthur. Here is the other diamond relic, and there it is. Patrick Laine, 13 of 99. Check that out. Hey, no Austin Matthews, but Patrick Laine is pretty damn good too. That's Stephen Arthur with the Winnipeg Jets. There you go, Steven, man. Congrats, man. They should have put him as a quad diamond. And the last card, have you guys already seen that? Black Diamond Team Logos, Rookie Jumbos, Hudson Fasching. Buffalo Sabres. That's Jeff C. with last spot mojo right there. Last spot mojo, Jeff C. with the Buffalo Sabres. Nice. Alrighty, so one pack left. The exquisite bonus pack. Good luck, everyone. Nice. For the Arizona Coyotes, Dylan Strome. That is 84 of 199. Arizona Coyotes. Well, there you go, Shane. You say, hey, I haven't a hit in these one box breaks. Well, there you go. Hey, it's an exquisite card. It's a nice card. You're one for 4, or you're 1 for 2, whatever, 1 for 3. So there it is. That is a break, guys. Number 50 is in store, guys. If you guys want to check that out at jaspyshockeyland.com. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.